Hello and welcome to another air fryer video. I haven't done one for a while, so I thought I'd just pop this one up. I've seen this online and I thought I'd give it a go. And what it is, it's Crumpet Churros. So I thought I'll have a go, see what it's like. And it's very simple recipe, this one. So all you're going to need, I've started off, I just bought some crumpets and I've started with 3. And all you do with these is just cut them into cubes. So I've just cut them up, just chop them up into little sort of inch cubes. And then you're going to need some butter. What I've got here, I've got 50 grams of butter. Now I'm just going to melt that in the microwave and then you just pour it over the crumpets. And then you want some cinnamon. This is ground sweet cinnamon and some granulated sugar. And all you do is put the crumpets into the air fryer, pour over the melted butter, and then what we do is get it going, probably about 170 on the air fryer for about 4 to 5, maybe 7 minutes, depending on how they look. Yeah, and then just throw in sort of the ground cinnamon and the sugar as they go along and give it a bit of a shake. And you should have some nice churros. Now, we have tried this before. This is my second time of doing this. And I did it for a bit too long. I did it for about 180 for about 10 minutes. And the trouble was, I don't think I used enough cinnamon for a start, or sugar, or even maybe the butter, but they seemed a little bit chewy. I mean, I think crumpets by their nature are a bit chewy anyway, but yeah, so I thought I'd try it again, this time with a little bit more butter, a little bit more cinnamon, a little bit more sugar, and as I said, 170 for about 4, 5, check it after 5 and see, maybe 7 minutes, but I don't think it's going to need any more than that. Okay, so I've melted the butter in the microwave, and just in case you're interested, 50 grams of butter. I put it in for about 20 seconds, give it a stir, another 20 seconds, and that's on an 800 watt microwave on full power. So what I'm going to do now is pour this over the crumpets, give that a bit of a shake. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook these for a couple of minutes before I add the cinnamon and the sugar. So as we say, so air fry, take it down to 170. And I know as low as this will go is 5 minutes, but I'll keep an eye on it and just do it for a couple just to get it going. Right, so I'll be back in 2 minutes. Okay, what we've done with regards to the cinnamon and the sugar while that's cooking, we've actually made up a cinnamon sugar mix. So we've got about 30 grams of sugar there and about 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then what we'll do, we'll sprinkle that over and taste it, see what it's like, and if it needs more of either, we'll just sprinkle a bit more over. Okay, so we're coming up to 2 minutes now. So I'll just take these out and have a look. Okay, they smell nice with the butter anyway. Right, so we'll give them a bit of a mix and then we'll add the cinnamon and the sugar. Dear, that does look like a lot, doesn't it? Alright, let's give this a bit of a shake. So I'll put it on again and let it count down so it's had the full 5 in total, and then we'll have another look. So we'll have a look and then maybe give it a bit of a taste, and if it needs any more then we'll probably do it maybe a minute or a couple of minutes at a time. Right, so they've had the full 5 minutes of cooking time. 2 with just the butter and a bit of a shake, and then with the 3 minutes with the cinnamon sugar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give them another mix just to make sure they're all evenly coated. Okay, what I might do is just have a taste of one of these and see what we think. So Mrs. James B has had a little bit of a taste test. They're very nice, but I think maybe another minute. will be about there. Right, let's see. Okay, right, so that's the minute they've had. Just evenly coated. Right, let's see what. Let's give it a try. Let's find one. I'll tell you I've got a little one there. Oh yeah, much better, much better. As I said, this is the second time we're doing this, and I did do them for 10 minutes on 180, and they were a little bit chewy, but these are fine. These are nice and soft. So they weren't a fail last time, I'd say. They were tasty, but they just had a little bit of a chew to them. But these are really nice. So that was 170 with the melted butter. So put them in melted butter for 2 minutes, 170. Then pour over your cinnamon sugar mix for the remainder of the 3 minutes. So that was 5. Take them out again, good old shake, maybe have a bit of a scrape round there so there's nothing stuck, and then another minute just to make sure that everything you scrape round is stuck to them and evenly coated, and then maybe another good old shake, and they're ready to serve. So the sugar mix was 30 grams of sugar and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, sweet cinnamon. So churros in the air fryer. See you later.